outstanding support. Whatever the schedule, whatever the curriculum we framed, really you accepted that one. Based on that one, we were able to give the best program to my children. You can imagine, along with 2 campuses, almost 100 students wrote annual examinations, which were conducted by Board of SSC. Out of 100, 54 students crashed above 500. 54 మంది పిల్లలు 500 స్కోర్ని క్రాక్ చేశారు. ఒక్కరిద్దరికి వస్తే కాకతాళీయంగా వచ్చిందనుకోవచ్చు. That is the efforts of my lovable children and their great commitment. Difficulty roads always gives you beautiful destination. Today, your destination you have reached, your first destination in grand manner. This success obviously provides you the best platform. Anyway, out of 100, we are having only little bit of strength. We are having only single campuses, not like corporate people, not like managing people. With the help of you are the live witness what program we people operated here. Based on that particular commitment, right now we have touched the state score 580 out of 600. Vinutana, she got 580, followed by Tarunika 572, followed by Shloka Reddy 572, and Pujita Gaud 572. Look like that one. What a score it is. When we wrote 10th class examination, we might have stood on 3 to 360. Right now, madam? Right now, people still they are not having happiness. The toppers who are have least bother, nana. Why you are getting feeling to say, disappointment to say? Because you have given more than your level best. The commitment. That's the reason there is a little bit of pain. But one thing I can remind here. When we were a student of schooling, there was a science teacher. His good name is Rajamani sir. ఎంత తెలివి ఉన్నా ఆవగింజంత అదృష్టం ఉండాలని చెప్పేవాడు మన గురుగారు. ఎంత తెలివి 99% నాలెడ్జ్ ఉన్నా, స్కిల్ ఉన్నా, ఎబిలిటీ ఉన్నా, 1% అదృష్టం ఉండాలి అనేది. ఎవరైతే టాపర్స్ బాగా కష్టపడి మిస్ అయిన వాళ్ళకి ఆ ఆవగింజంత అదృష్టం మాత్రమే లేదు. మీరు బాధపడాల్సిన అవసరం లేదు. వీఆర్ హ్యావింగ్ అగైన్ చాయిస్. దిస్ ఈస్ అ ఫస్ట్ ఇంప్రెషన్. You people proved that one. Least bother nana. This is going to be a wonderful experience to you. Definitely it gives you outstanding success. There is no doubt at all. Because you people are such kind of a great people. Already my teachers designed, what we can say, advertisements. But just now I came to know when they send into my groups, all toppers. Daughter is not a tension. She is equal to 10 sons only. 5 toppers, 5 ammayile andi. Kabatti girl children always are remarkable people. The student who got best score from our corner, from our platform, absolutely I give assurance to all my lovable parents. You feel very proud. Reason, your girl children absolutely equal to 10 sons. Such kind of a stunning people they are. Really very good children. Because of our personal experiences, they are very good. Ani mutyam ela untundante mee kootur laga untundi. It's fact. Abharnam ela untundante mee koduku laga untaru sir. Anta chakkati pillalu socials chivari exam varaku kuda kashtapaddaru kabatti ee roju inta adbhutamaina results ivvadam jarigindi. Anyway, once again on behalf of our SPJC organization, we extend our sincere thanks, bow my head in front of all my particular teaching family as well as my lovable parents because of your outstanding services. Because you have rendered services like that one. Right now we people are able to give that one. This is really heart-touching results. Almost all out of 100% result. 100% results we have given from Pora as well as Johnson Global School. You go and class it, either it is a Google or YouTube or whatever the channel it is. Yes, my children, ఎందుకంటే అందరూ పాస్ అవ్వడం తల్లిదండ్రులకి ఒక కళ. వట్టి పాస్ మార్కులతో కాల ఆల్మోస్ట్ ఆల్ రిమైనింగ్ 50% పీపుల్ కూడా 400 ఎబో స్కోరే క్రాక్ చేశారు పిల్లలంతా కూడా. ఎక్కడ కూడా తగ్గలే పిల్లలు. వెరీ గ్రేట్ స్కోర్. దట్స్